I'm going to show you how to set up Manychat for your coaching business. And I want to make this as practical as possible. So you're going to see some of my best examples that I use on my social media content and other viral Manychat fueled pieces of content from some excellent coaches out there. If you've ever been on Instagram scrolling and you've come across a post or a reel with a call to action saying something like, comment the word workshop or heck yeah, or even gabagool if you want to receive X, Y, Z. And you see on that post that there's a ton of comments and you're wondering, how is this person responding to all this stuff? They're not. Because the second you comment that word, you're going to be sent a link through direct messaging with the resource you asked for. And how does that work, you might ask? Well, it's sent through an automation service called Manychat. And in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to set up Manychat on your Instagram so you can generate leads for your coaching business. And you want to do this early, even if you don't have a bunch of people reaching out for stuff, because number one, it's good to be prepared. And number two, the algorithm still really loves engagement and comments on things. So you want to just get this set up early. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to manychat.com and set up your account. I already have mine set up, but I logged out here and I'm going to walk you through the process. Again, some things might look slightly different. Also keep in mind, if you already have this set up, you can skip this step, but I want to show you this from start to finish. So you're going to hit get started for free and set up your account here. For the purpose of today's video, we are using Instagram, but you can see that there's many other things you can set up within TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Telegram. Basically all social media platforms that have a chat feature you can set up and integrate. But for today's video, we're going to do Instagram. At this point, it's going to ask you to continue with Google or continue with Facebook. I'm going to go through continue with Facebook and pull my login details and profile from Facebook because that's what I'm going to use to set up. It's all meta driven anyway with Facebook and Instagram. So we're going to click on that and you're going to get this set up. For you, it's going to be connecting those two things. For me, it's just reconnecting at this point. It's going to ask you if you want to upgrade to a pro account. At this point, you can just use the free version. I'm on the pro account because there's a few more features and a certain level of contacts that you have that'll push you to the pro account. But for now, you can just get this set up for free and get cruising. At the beginning too, you're gonna get a few questions around what is the purpose of your business. You can click on the one that best suits your needs. For many of us, it's gonna be in the online coaching education space. Not a huge deal when you select, but select on one of those. It's gonna ask you 4 to 5 questions and then you're gonna be set up and good to go. And we're gonna walk through the actual steps of getting an automation set up and just getting familiar with the actual software now. All right, so here we have our coaching dashboard. Here's how everything looks. Keep in mind, I'm on the pro version here, but even if you're on the free version, it's gonna look similar. So we got a coaching dashboard. We have contacts over here. Contacts is essentially anytime someone interacts with one of your automations, they're going to be considered a new contact and a lead, and they're going to be imported into the system where you can keep track of them and keep everything organized as well as chat with them. We also have our automations over here, which is the actual chat automations that you'll set up. This might feel like computer programming at times, but it's straightforward and pretty intuitive to use. I'm going to show you how to do that in a second, as well as this live chat feature. This is super useful because once someone is a contact, you can do first of all, the automation is going to run with or without you digging into here. But if you want to talk with these people further, you can go into here in the chats and do all the correspondence right here within the actual Manychat app or software, which can be a game changer for efficiency because you're not just scrolling on Instagram and doing something like that. So I would suggest that at times too. It's nice to have that feature. There's also some settings as well and things to adjust and customize to your own situation, but this is how things work. Let's start with an automation here. As you're gonna see, I have some already set up and operating in the background, but I want to show you how to create a new one. Go to new automation here. A few things, auto DM links from comments. There's a bunch of different templates here and different things you can do from frequently asked questions. But for most of us, what we'll be doing here is using this auto DM links from comments. That's usually the most popular style of template. Some of my content is coming up here already, but essentially when someone comments on all of these things, you're going to set up an actual automation. You can do this in advance. On the pro version, you can do this for a specific poster reel or all of them. And it kind of like just broadly applies to all the content that you create, both in the future or if someone comments on something with a keyword before. But essentially, let's just start with this. next. If a comment has a specific word or keywords, that is going to be the trigger word. That's where everything starts within this process. You're going to enter a word like, let's say I want to set up grocery list, for example, and send that over to someone. Let's say they enter those words. We can also do it so that we don't want any word, right? Because then it's going to fire off a bunch of DMs to people that don't necessarily want things. But grocery list will work there. And we can also set it up for any iteration of that as well. So if someone types in grocery list like this as well, it'll be the same thing. So we do that, get that set up, hit next. Then they will get an opening DM and you can customize all of this stuff. So this is what either they're going to get a DM with a link or an actual place to select, send me the link. So if they make that comment, the first thing that is sent over to them is, this is their generic one. Hey there, I'm happy you're here. Thanks so much for your interest. So to me, it's like, you can just get right into it in terms of like, thanks for your interest about my grocery list. Click below and I'll send you the link in just a second. Send me the link. They've done the cool thing about having this stuff is they've done a lot of research around like what matters here and that type of stuff. Getting people to acknowledge that they want something and agree to wanting something even after making the comment is going to make it a stronger conversion. And then you send a DM with the link, and this is where you will be like, okay, here it is, and add a link. And then I'd add the link right in here. You can also customize this button label to say something different. It won't be just the link. It's like grocery guide here, and then the link is where you put it in there. I'll show you later in terms of how to create a link with lead magnet and that type of stuff. But for the purpose of this video, we're just playing around with how to actually set up the automation here. Then we hit next. Let's see if this is going to work without me actually, it's cool how they show you how all this stuff will look without me actually putting the link in there. But from this point, you can change the actual response back with a bunch of different things. So the first comment goes, they respond, okay, I'm going to send you a DM, check there. A few general practices too is if this person's not already following you, sometimes the actual DM can go to their requests or they can't find it. So it's a good idea to put in your caption too. It's like, make sure to follow me to make sure that the resource goes to the right place and kind of go from there. But that's how we set up the automation. The important things are trigger and then setting up the actual what happens afterwards. The trigger word starts to cascade, and then from there you're going to send over your resource through the DMs and customize it based on that. Look when it's actually set up. So this is for my transformation cheat sheet, which I have on this post right here, done quite well. And I do different versions of this because you should double down on the things that are already working well. But what happens is, so when someone comments the words cheat sheet on any of my reels or posts, that's the way I have it set up. It's going to, so that's the when, click on here. The trigger words are all of these words, cheat sheet with spaces and just sheet. And then the public replies, which is the part you can customize so that it looks different when you're responding to people, is a bunch of different ones here. There's some automated ones. I like to make them a little more unique to me. You bet, sending you a message now. Yes, check your DMs. So there'll be different versions of this when people comment the trigger words here. So that's how that is set up. Once that happens, they're going to be sent an actual message that just goes over directly to them. Is here's where you can download the fat loss transformation cheat sheet with the link to my lead magnet. Now, you can also set up automations where afterwards, over a period of time, you can do another then here where you can follow up with them. And that's probably the best thing you can do is like, hey, did you check out the cheat sheet? Let me know what action steps you're putting into place here, and then start a conversation with them afterwards, after following up. You can do that within your email sequence as well, in terms of like, they get the guide, then emails come afterwards, but it's also really good to do through direct message as well. So the way this looks, and here's the version of it, is comment cheat sheet below, and I'll send it over. We have some comments here. Here's a version of cheat sheet with a space between it, right? This gets sent over to them, absolutely, sending it over now, and they directly get that. So it's pretty cool to have this stuff set up because it's working in the background with or without you. All right, here are 3 examples that I'm gonna highlight here that are a little bit different each individually, but also will give you just a bunch of inspiration to use something similar. They all have really strong hooks within the reel. If I wanted to drop 10 pounds in the next 2 months, here are the 5 5 breakfasts I'd eat on repeat. This one has the actual recipes on repeat within the caption, but then it says, if you want a free resource, this deep bloat routine ebook, that's a mouthful, but people want it, and details for my 8-week spring slim down program. Comment slim down below. A bunch of people are commenting slim down, which is fantastic. So there's one, comes from a strong hook, then building some little bit of buzz around giving value within the caption and going from there. There's one version of that. I stopped spending all my money on organic foods and ate these foods from Costco on repeat. People really love, I think if you're going to set it up with anything, like practical stuff is really, really good. And keep in mind how the algorithm works here, right? People are commenting on this, they're coming back to it. This is just going through a view every second. Average watch time is going up. So like people are watching it on repeat, and that boosts the post on the algorithm as well, right? So it's like kind of 2 birds, 1 stone. Another version here, if you want to be unrecognizable without stepping foot in the gym and become addicted to these 4 habits over the next 6 months, this one has drop a heart, and that could be the trigger. And I'll send you my free 30-20 nutrition guide to simplify the nutrition piece for you. Tons of comments there. This is super smart to call your guide something and make it unique to you because you're branding around it, and then Tara becomes the creator of this thing as opposed to just a guide. So to get it, you got to go exactly through her, which is always fantastic. But there are 3 really good examples of posts that did exceptionally well. Model your own stuff off it, use the skyscraper method, copy what's working here and turn it into your own. You can help more people using Manychat and get some leads and grow your business. For me, Manychat has been a huge game changer in my nutrition coaching business. And I believe it's a tool that every nutrition coach and online coach should use to generate and nurture leads, create and schedule content, manage clients, and just overall grow their business. If you have any other questions or things that I didn't cover in this video, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you're serious about growing your online coaching business, you're going to want to check out this video I've linked up right here. These Manychat automations tend to work best with a lead magnet and a nurture sequence in your email list. You're going to learn the exact steps to do that in this video I've linked up right here. It's going to teach you how to create a lead magnet and how to grow your email list. So click on this video and I'll see you in the next one.